अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज हम एक नया स्लाइड शो लेके आए हैं और इसका टॉपिक है पार्टनरशिप अकाउंटिंग एंड अमलगमेशन। ओ लेवल्स के लिए है और टॉपिक इसका 11 है एंड देयर आर दी MCQs गिवन इन दिस स्लाइड शो, बट मेरे ख्याल में तो दिस इज़ गुड फॉर दी first year students, intermediate students and for BCom part 1 और part 2 students also। तो आपसे सबसे गुजारिश ये है कि आप प्लीज़ इसको यूज़ करें और इसको इस्तेमाल करके इंशाअल्लाह ताला आपको बहुत फ़ायदा होगा। तो हम पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाते हैं। दिस इज़ आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। ली एंड मार्क आर सोल ट्रेडर्स। They decided to amalgamate their businesses and agree to share profits and losses equally. Lee's goodwill is valued at $3,000 and Mark's at $1,000. How is goodwill recorded in the books for the new partnership? Goodwill कैसे रिकॉर्ड की जाती है, ये इस क्वेश्चन में हम सीखेंगे। और 4 ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं। फर्स्ट इज़ कैपिटल Lee shall be debited and capital for the board partners shall be debited according to their goodwill amount, and goodwill shall be credited. The second option is goodwill shall be debited and capital for both the partners shall be credited. एक चीज़ मैं यहाँ पे बताता चलूँ कि goodwill is a intangible asset, and as it is asset, therefore it shall be debited. The total amount for this for the goodwill is 4,000. It shall be debited. So it seems that B is the right answer, and goodwill is debited over here, and capital for Lee and capital for Mark are credited according to the amount of goodwill. Goodwill is an intangible asset. It will be debited. Capital accounts of each partner will be credited. The answer, explanation to the answer, with the amount of goodwill they have brought in the business. Now we go to the second question. What does a partnership prepare? Why does a partnership prepare an appropriation account? अप्रोप्रिएशन का मतलब ये होता है डिवीजन ऑफ द अकाउंट, डिवीजन ऑफ समथिंग। अप्रोप्रिएट करना, डिवीजन टू डिवाइड समथिंग बिटवीन 1 और 2 और 10 पीपल। तो यहाँ पे पार्टनर्स हैं, अगर 2 हैं तो सीम्स के प्रॉफिट जो है उसको डिवाइड करते होंगे इस अप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में। तो 4 ऑप्शंस आर गिवन टू शेयर ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट बिटवीन पार्टनर्स। ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इज़ नेवर डिवाइडेड, not appropriated. B is to share net profit between partners. This seems to be the right answer. Net profit is divided between the partners, and C and D are not the appropriate answers. Therefore, only B is the correct answer. In the trading account, gross profit is calculated. In profit and loss account, net profit is calculated. तो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट पहले बनाया जाता है, एंड देन द नेट प्रॉफिट इज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग द पार्टनर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ऑलरेडी एग्रीड रेशियो. इफ इट इज़ 50-50 then 50-50 is divided. 50% is given to one partner and 50% is given to the other partner, or if it is something else then it is divided according to the already agreed partnership ratio. Distribution of profit according to the partnership agreement is in the appropriation account. This is the answer for this. Now we go to the next slide. Question number 3. Mariam and Noora are in partnership. The net profit for the year is $25,255. The total of the drawings made by the partners was 6,300. यानी दोनों ने मिल के एक पैसे निकाले हैं और उन दोनों के जो जो मतलब ड्राइंग्स को अगर हम ऐड करें तो दैट कम्स टू अराउंड $6,300 फॉर द होल ईयर, ऑन विच दे आर चार्ज 5% इंटरेस्ट. अब इसके ऊपर इनको 5% इंटरेस्ट पे करना होगा. हाउ मच प्रॉफिट इज़ अवेलेबल टू बी शेयर्ड बिटवीन पार्टनर्स. यहाँ पे चार ऑप्शंस पर दिए गए हैं. 23,992 यानी टोटल प्रॉफिट इज़ 25,255. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल कैलकुलेट the 5% of 25,250 sorry the I'm sorry, interest on drawings. Interest on drawings to be deducted from the net profit. That has to be calculated first. Interest on drawings is drawings the total amount is 6,300 और इस पे 5% बनता है $315. So this amount has to be deducted from the net profit the company has earned, and net profit earned by the company is 25,255. And if we minus it, interest on drawing, if we minus it from the net profit, we get an amount of 24,940, and the correct answer according to that is the B. This is the correct answer. Okay, now this amount is to be divided according to the already agreed ratio of the partnership between the partners. This is the amount to be divided in the appropriation account. We go to the next slide. Question. Eileen bought Bernard's business for $10,000. Eileen took over the following assets and liabilities. यानी Eileen ने एक कोई भी आदमी है, उसने बर्नार्ड का जो है वो बिजनेस परचेज कर दी फॉर $10,000 और उसके अगेंस्ट उसको बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट मिला 1,000. यानी द बैलेंस शीट फॉर Eileen was showing an overdraft of $1,000. Creditors were $3,000. Debtors were $4,000. Motor vehicles amounting $5,000 and prepayment $2,000. This is the balance sheet of Eileen. So the whole balance sheet is bought by Eileen. This is the balance sheet for Bernard. Sorry, Bernard's balance sheet shows these amounts. What is the value of goodwill? अब ये चार ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं, हम देखते हैं कि इन चार में से कौन सा बेहतर है. Correct answer is B. Let's calculate and see if it is correct or not. Purchase value of the business minus net value of assets taken over. Net value. अब net value का क्या मतलब है? We add up the total assets minus the total liabilities. This will give us a net value of assets. ठीक है, ये नीचे दिया हुआ है. Purchase value of business is 10,000, हमें पहले ही पता है. माइनस कर देंगे इसमें से हम 4,000 is the debtors, 5,000 is the motor vehicle, these are the assets, इनको ऐड कर लिया, और 2,000 is the prepayments. इन दोनों को तीनों को हमने ऐड कर लिया और इसमें से हमने लेस करना है the liabilities, that is the overdraft, and the creditors, that is 3,000 and 1,000. So we'll get an amount of 7,000. Means 10,000 minus 7,000 is the total value of the Eileen took over the following assets. What is the value of the goodwill? So $3,000 is the goodwill amount जो कि उसने परचेज किया है, and this will be shown in the balance sheet. This is how we calculate the goodwill of a balance sheet of a partner. Yes, exactly. Now we go to the last question, and question number 5, the MCQs. Rajit and Sunil formed a partnership on January 1, 2006 but did not prepare a partnership agreement. They provide the following information. Capital introduced by Rajit was $40,000 and Sunil was $20,000. Number 2, during the year ended December 31, 2006, drawings were rigid withdrew $5,000 and $3,000 for Sunil, and share of work, 50% each. Both of them worked equally for the business. They decided to draw up a partnership agreement for future years. What will Rigid be especially interested to see included in the agreement? I think Rigid would be interested in the interest on capital, because Rigid has invested $40,000 in the business and Sunil has invested only $20,000. So Rigid is expecting some interest on the capital he has invested. The four options are given: interest on capital, interest on drawings, limit on annual drawings, and partnership salaries. So let's see, A is the right answer given over here. Interest on capital. Rajid and Sunil have invested different amounts of capital, so Rajid would be interested in how much interest on capital will he get to give him a slight edge in profit appropriation. This is the amount. 40,000 के ऊपर वो चाहेगा कि कुछ उसको इंटरेस्ट भी मिल जाए, बिकॉज उसने ज़्यादा अमाउंट जो है वो इन्वेस्ट किया होगा. दिस कंक्लूड्स आवर slide show, and hopefully आपसे गुजारिश है, you are requested to kindly practice these questions more and more, and to share this slide show with your friends and with your colleagues, and especially you are requested to please subscribe this channel. I'll be very much happy. आपको पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ आप इसको ज़रूर जो है वो सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, और दूसरी जो है वो आती रहेंगी इंशाअल्लाह ताला, और आप इससे फ़ायदा उठाते रहेंगे इंशाअल्लाह. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.